If you are visiting New York City, one of the things that you need to put on your list is the Brooklyn Bridge. Now, I live in New York City, I love living here, and I never want to take it for granted. Now, something that helps me do that is visiting places that remind me how beautiful the city really is. And the Brooklyn Bridge is probably the prime example of that. Once you're on the Brooklyn Bridge and you're looking at the skyline of Manhattan and you're looking back at Brooklyn, there's just an energy that is indescribable, and I want to show that to you guys today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys why the Brooklyn Bridge is something you should visit when you're in New York City, and it's something that you'll remember for the rest of your life. Let's go.
Appreciate it.
Been here for about 5 minutes and I've already taken a few Instagram photos for random people. I guess if you have a camera on a tripod, they trust you. But the Brooklyn Bridge, definitely an Instagrammable place. Brooklyn Bridge is such a popular tourist destination. It attracts about 250,000 people a day. So it's highly recommended to get here early, because everyone's gonna be packing this bridge trying to get their Instagram photos or vlogging on a tripod, so get here early. Quick tip, if you're visiting New York, there's 2 ways to walk the bridge. There's the bike lane and there's the walking lane. If you're in the bike lane, you might get hit by one of those crazy New Yorkers.
I'm walking here! I'm walking here!
There's so many people that walk the bridge, it's nearly impossible to keep it regulated, but try your best and have a good time. That was perfect. Alright, it's real windy, sorry if you can't hear me everybody, but some quick facts about the Brooklyn Bridge. Hey everybody, so the wind in this clip right here was just way too bad, so I'll go ahead and give you the facts while this dummy just keeps talking. The Brooklyn Bridge was constructed in 1869, making it over 150 years old. It took 14 years to build, and it's 1.1 miles long. And not long after construction, there was a stampede on the bridge because a woman tripped. Everybody thought there was something wrong with the bridge, so a panic began. And to bring confidence back to the New Yorkers, a man named P.T. Barnum suggested walking his elephants across the bridge. So yes, there were elephants that walked across the Brooklyn Bridge, and ever since then, millions of people have made the walk on the bridge from Manhattan to Brooklyn and vice versa. I can't believe this guy is still talking. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at that, man. The sun came out, the wind's gone.
Yeah, I know, yeah, it's a lot better down here.
Alright, brother. Oh, that was funny. My name is Dylan Collins. You can find my Instagram right here. Subscribe for more New York City-based content. If you want to help this channel grow, it's as easy as liking and hitting the bell for notifications. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. I don't know if you guys would actually believe this, but I was just riding my bike home and I actually slipped on a banana peel. Thought that only happens in movies. Lastly, if you guys have any suggestions about any videos you want to see about New York City, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to make that happen. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. See you later.